Hey guys, Garrett here. Today I want to show you the inside of my rental house just as I got it back from the tenant. So yeah, it doesn't look too pretty. But anyway, a little backstory on this. I bought this house back in 2015 as a foreclosure, offered $65,000 and it was a $78,000 list price. They accepted 4-bed, 2-bath, around 1,800 square foot, and it is a bi-level. At the time that I bought it, I fixed it up and then I immediately started renting it. And at this point, I've had 3 different tenants in there over that 6-year period of time. So each one has stayed roughly 2 years apiece. With the market as hot as it is right now, I'm planning to sell this property. It has appreciated considerably at this point. So I'm just going to cash out of it. So let's take a look. Here we are in the rental house. First time coming in, just looking it over. It's kind of a mess. Everything looks pretty darn dirty, and supposedly the tenant is coming back to clean up, but we know how that always goes. You can see broken wall there. Another one right over here. Living room, just stuff, trash. And of course, some wall damage too. People don't realize how much damage the sticky stuff on the walls can create. Realistically, we get past the carpet and the paint because unfortunately the carpet is taking a beating. These people had a pet that I did not know about, and especially this room really smells like that pet. So I think I'm gonna have to do the carpet in here as well. Otherwise though, in decent shape. There's a little spot right behind the door here. Bathroom looks to be in decent shape, but it's dirty. It just needs to be finished, I guess. Now the bedroom, mattresses we love to get rid of. More sticky tape damage over here, all along there. So again, most likely flooring and paint. Now we're going upstairs. I had put in this laminate flooring and thankfully it looks okay. It's dirty, but I don't see any swelled marks or anything. Still a bunch of stuff. You know, walls are fairly dirty, but all of this should clean up pretty well into what is the dining space here. I don't know why that is hanging. Again, just kind of a mess. I don't understand people sometimes, but the kitchen itself actually looks really good. The whole thing needs to be deeply cleaned, that's for darn sure. And of course, I'll end up doing the paint in here as well, but beyond that, it looks really good. Of course, the light fixture, it's missing the globe. What a pain. Here's one of the bedrooms. Actually, whoever was in this room did pretty well. This is one of the better rooms. It's gonna need a little bit of paint, and I'll probably end up changing the carpet anyway just to make everything match, but it's not too bad. Bathroom I had previously redone and it's in pretty good shape. Again, just needs to be cleaned. And then this is what would be considered the master bedroom. And I don't know why in here it is so freaking dusty, but it is. If you look real close up there, this fan was run a lot. And there's the intake vent. I always come in here and change out the air filters within the HVAC system, but the tenant should be cleaning that as well. It shouldn't be this dusty in here. Otherwise, not too bad. Again, we'll probably just give it a quick coat of paint, replace the carpet, and this room, other than some cleanup, is good to go. Here's more damage that you can enjoy. This is a doorknob on the front door and it got smashed. Here's the ceiling vent that I've already replaced. The old one was rusty. The kitchen sink faucet was leaking, so I had to replace that, but the new one did not have sprayers. So so I had to put a plug in that one. The new one has a pull-out sprayer, so it is much nicer. Again, dust on every fan blade. It's just filthy. And all of the vents, they are just gross. This is a bedroom door. One side of it didn't look so bad, but it did have a mark there. And on the back side, it was broke real bad and is about falling off of the hinges as well. So this is the master bedroom door, just scratched like crazy. And of course it has a hole in it as well. In the master bath, had to change out the shower valve cartridge right there. I've already done that. Had to change the head as well. In the basement, I thought I needed a shower valve cartridge. Turns out I didn't. Also, I needed another shower head. This one was leaking. The shower valve itself, turns out there's something blocking the hot side, and I'm guessing that it's solder whenever it got put in. It got put in by a professional plumber, but it just has no flow going through it. So I'm going to replace the entire shower valve assembly and just start from scratch from that. Every day as I dive deeper into this project, it becomes more and more involved. And a lot of times that can happen. You know, sometimes you have the rose-colored glasses on whenever you're buying something. Well, generally I can see past all of the filth and everything, but there are some things that need to be replaced. Like those doors. You know, I wasn't planning to have to do doors, but yep, got to do that, and I got to paint them as well. So it's a multi-step process that just takes time to do. And the level of filth in this place is just, man, it is thick. So I still have to get all new carpet and pad, take all of that out. I still have to do all of the drywall, repair, patches, priming, painting. I mean, it takes time to do all of this stuff. But I'm getting there, I'm making progress, and there is an end in sight. You know, you got to start with a list and then just start checking those things off as you get them done. And that is my plan. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like button down below as well as subscribe. I'll see you next time.